Alright, YouTube. It's a Samsung refrigerator. See what I'm saying? We have 34 degrees right now, -8 freezer. It's a model number right here. See what I'm saying? Samsung, I had this refrigerator for about 6-7 years. It's the fan right there behind that. You know what I'm saying? It's a bolt right there, a screw right there you can take out to unloosen this, take the clips off. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know it was a screw right there, so I broke my shit a little bit. But I'm gonna get into the video, alright? So somebody left my refrigerator doors open. See what I'm saying? Somebody left the refrigerator doors open overnight, and I didn't know. So like 5 in the morning, I heard it beeping, and it was warm as hell. So, see what I'm saying? Oh shit! I hope I didn't take the wire out. But yes, be careful when you take this off because there's wires behind here and you can rip out the wire. So you gotta be careful, don't pull it back. That's the furthest you want to pull it back right there. So, but as you can see, let me show you that there it is. See what I'm saying? Your condenser and everything is back here. So what you want to do is you want to unplug it, take a hair blow dryer, and you want to thaw this out, everything. Mine was frozen just a little bit, but it wasn't getting up to temp because it was just leaking. So, and then, like I said, my wire was pulled out, so I don't know if it was my wire loose already. Because when I pulled it out, I seen one of the wires, the black wire, was out of the metal sprocket. So, wire was out of the sprocket. Okay. So the wire was out, so I don't know if that was making the fan not run. It had to be, so I just put the wire back in there with a pair of tweezers, stuck it in there, and I let the bitch sit for almost about 2 hours. It started getting cold. By the next morning, it was at 36 degrees, baby. 36. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I did everything. I checked the relay. I pulled off the back. I pulled up the back right there. Just ordered a relay off Amazon. I still didn't do nothing. So I finally said, fuck it. I said, bitch, take everything out the refrigerator so I can fucking thaw this bitch out. So I did. I thawed it out with a goddamn hair blow dryer. Fixed my goddamn freezer and cooler. Saying? So Samsung refrigerator, man, if your shit ain't cooling, if you left the door open or anything, just take the back panel off or anything and let it thaw out. Or you can just turn it off for a day or two and let it thaw out. See what I'm saying? And that hopefully will fix your problem. I had this bag of ice in here keeping my shit cool. I'm so fucking happy I don't gotta buy another refrigerator. I'm so happy for it. Everything is in my refrigerator in the basement. Bunch of damn chocolates and shit. Saying? Yeah, man, that's it. That's it. Quick fix. Throw it out. Take the back off. See what I'm saying? Blow dryer. And that's it, baby. Let me close this motherfucker.